Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I want to practice some part of the course that we've learned, and if you've taken note of my beginner tutorial series, I taught you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just those ones. So I just want to add a 7. I think for this tutorial I kind of have just 2 versions. I'll let you know when I get the things ready. So we just want to get straight to it. So the 7th chord is a diminished chord, and so C, do. So I'm using C. So this note has to come in, and it has the number 2. And if I'm not mistaken, the number so this is the number 2 and this is the number 4. So the 4 to 7, that's what forms the the 7th chord. The diminished chord is formed using the 4 to 7. So in C, so let's say we want to try and play the first with the chords. So do, re, D minor, E minor, Mi, F, Fa, G, So, La, then the T, do, T, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So what if you're playing in the A shape? So so I kind of improvised the T to be like the so, but that's not the actual one. Sometimes when I'm playing the T, I try to do something like which chord is this one? The 5, that's the G, so more like G7. So you interchange this note. You move the ideally when you're playing with the D shape, you play like this. You play like this. Yeah, but I want to put this finger to the fret before these 2, but these 2 are going to be at the same place, so more like this. So I will use my middle finger on the 6th fret, put this guy on the 7th fret, the 3rd string, then this one on the 1st, to form that shape. Then I'll bar. So do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, do. Or you can go to the high do. And you can try to transition back to the open chords. Mi, re, do. Yes, that's it for this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if it was easy to follow, and leave in the comment section. Yeah, let me know what you think. I think I had some kind of improvisation for when the yeah, I'll do another tutorial for this one, and let me know how helpful this tutorial was. And thank you for watching this far, and don't forget to subscribe, give a like, give a thumbs up, and send to your friends, share as well. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this.